Hello, I'm Karen Smith from Spark Electrical Services. We're approved NIC EIC electricians based in and around Tonbridge Wells, Crowborough and Tonbridge. Over the past few months there have been shortages of supply of materials, maybe just in a small certain number of items or across a wide product range of suppliers' parts. Why is this? Strangely enough, a lot of parts are imported from manufacturing plants and sites in the Far East and China. Before Christmas, it was reported that there were containers held up in the dockyards because of certain home entertainment system which had been manufactured and produced and was needed to be released prior to the Christmas deadline. I've been told that dockyard officials were releasing these containers prior to any other containers leaving. Now bouncing into 2021, there are now further reports which you can watch on the BBC, where the shortages in the UK, if not globally, are due to either shortage of shipping containers, slow processing of containers at some of the larger UK ports, or huge stockpiles of empty containers. These are waiting to return around the world to the countries which manufacture the commodities we all use on a daily basis. We're advised that this is not blamed on Brexit or even COVID, but due to consumerism. You and me wanting products. Now, out in the Far East, there is a lot of equipment which is made at a cheaper price. So local manufacturing to the UK is non-existent. Around 20 years ago, I was in purchasing supply chain. This was prior to retraining and founding Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. I was bringing in many containers a year for the company I then worked for, of materials from Southern Asia, where a container was costing £600, £800 each to be shipped and delivered to the UK. But now the BBC are reporting that containers just up the coastline in China, which last year were costing around £800 to £1,000, are now costing in excess of £1,500 for delivery to the UK. With this, not only prices are going up, but so too are the shortages or slow supply in the supply chain. Now, I won't go into my personal opinion on this, but this is the news coming through. I wish to reassure all our Spark customers that we have agreed terms with a number of suppliers that we have access to a wide range of stock. This is from consumer units, where we are replacing many at this time because of breakdowns or due to the legislation for private landlords, where we're inspecting and having to replace old fuse boards to safer consumer units. We also have access to literally thousands of meters of cable for the many rewires, extensions to circuits which we're carrying out at the moment. Now, literally just before Christmas there were shortages in the supply chain that only one UK manufacturer, cable manufacturer, had just a few hundred meters left of the blue and brown meter cables in the country. They were the only ones. The raw material to make them were in short supply. Coming now into 2021, stocks are returning to near normal situations now, but we're ever vigilant with our suppliers to verify the stock levels and, if necessary, forward reserve if required. We have access and are assured that steel wire armoured cable is still available, placing orders in advance prior to any installations of exterior works and areas where a stronger protective cable is required. To show you that we do have some stock holding and access to lots and lots of equipment such as switches, sockets, available off the shelf. Although there is shortage of supply during this coronavirus lockdown, we do have access to thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds worth of equipment.